Habakane windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis na meh mga. Mia ka meh wis na.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor kapati CTV.
Manus Snam daki lagbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Jingïakynad ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Kumba arspa angut ki pulit ki haban sertam hapunam cluster kabadan Hamira Road Hathani District Jonga Jila Maharashtra namar bala ars ngi menta kala mi ka Jingïakynad Hapdeng ki Hindu bat ki Muslim ka sarkar kala haban pha pulit shu namar ba hakas ngi palai kandon ka Jingïakynad belang jong ki Muslim ka baju tibru kum ka bakrin ka Jingïakynad kelas sedang hakas ngi ublai ha Shrishti Complex kabadan hapunam cluster hadian bagi Hindu kelami ban persya ya ka jing penyeng dara jong ki Muslim na ka benta ban Knia belang ha pelau jong ka kompleks ki Hindu kelalik ban pen pra ya ka dara henry ha ka tikapor ki Muslim kelami krui ban pen ibor bat kila ujor ru dak ejahar Shakashimira police station bat ka Jingïakynad kala khamjur shu ha ka met jong kala sngi ublai ki pulit kala pentim bah ka met jong ka sngi hat majaipan lapin kenria san puai teli ki belang na ka ni ka kompleks bala theb iki ha south teli kali jong ka municipal Kamadian kilawan poi sekir khot jong ka VHP bat bajrang dal ha kani ka Jaka bat kila Wanrah da Sniang ha kani ka kompleks namar ba ki Muslim ki khensang ya Sniang kila keno ba ki belang bala pen kenria la Wanrah biang sha kani ka Jaka henry ki Muslim ru maria pen ibor ha ka ba ki nong yalam ba ki khot jong ka VHP kila mensau namar ka jingsha od da ka blit ha ka por ba ki Hindu ki Wanrah da Sniang ki pulit kila thong ban yok kem ya Sniang bat wat hadian ba ki pulit kila yok kem ya Sniang ki paj ba ki nang persang ban kini biang
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.